Alright, sisters and brothers and sisters of the Basehead community. Do me a favor, like, subscribe on my channel. Will help me out financially. Anyway. The shit show. I got this for Father's Day. Thank you, Eva. I love you very much. Thank you, Hammy, Sterner, and Steve Barber. I don't want to give this away completely, but let's check this out. Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh, that's so cool, man. Shtnonm sticker with toilet paper rolls. That is freaking awesome. That is freaking awesome. That is too cool, brother. Too cool. Oh, man. Let's see. Let's move this out of the way here. There we go. I'm trying to get this apart, you guys. Okay, I'll put this down for 1 second. Oh cow, man. You guys need to do definitely wrap this better. There's no piece. Oh Christ. Alright, hold on. Alright. Okay. What the heck? Holy cow. What is that? I see a panda in there. Let's see. Oh man. Oh, what the heck? Hold on. Oh, care package. Thank you guys. That is so dope, dude. Room's a total mess, you guys. So sorry. That is just super cool. Somebody get me a screenshot of that right there. It'd be cool. Anyway. Holy cow. Hammy and Steve. So, one. Shitting on them twice. Shitting on them 3 times. Shitting on them 4 times. Can't forget that. Badass motherfucker. Oh, green shitting on them. That's dope. Oh, the panda. The panda. Alright. Thank you, panda. Oh, gotta be doing this here pretty quick. Gonna do another video with it installed. And oh, look at that. Look at that. That is sweet. Thank you guys. I appreciate you. These are my brothers, my real brothers right here, man. Alright, so 10% off. Set up for the whatever. Oh man, these are cool. I'm gonna get this hat eventually. Now, if you've seen you guys at Surf City, already got the room. Got the sick room. Alright, so we got 2, 4, 6, 8 plus Shtnonm stickers there. Thank you guys so much. Now for the real deal. Oh man, that is so dope. I'm trying to find a place to put it. Put this right here. The detail is unbelievable. Anyway, I got 11 of 15, which is freaking cool as hell. So that's the one base knob. I think it comes with a different base knob. This is a killer. Man, these guys are smart. They leave the paper on the bottom so it can't get scratched. I'm leaving it. So limited edition base knob, manufactured by Panda. Shout out to Panda. Yeah, designed by Shtnonm. Shtnonm.com. Shtnonm.com. Alright, so without further ado, let's unbag this sucker. Oh man, look at that. Street Stain Daily. Oh, I gotta do it. Oh yes, brother. I love it, man. Oh, and the crest is on the back. Look at that. Beautiful. Huh. No lights, I see got blue. This is badass. Badass. That's what it says right there. Limited edition. Oh man, that knob feels beautiful. That is one beautiful knob, guys. You guys outdid yourself. Of course, you got the 6-foot pro leads. Oh my God, I just can't. Just awesome. And then got the bomb input, output, and guess what? Sky high, baby. Sky high RCAs. How can you go wrong, man? Anyway, Steve and Hammy, everybody from Shtnonm, everybody from Panda, base knobs. I can't wait to get this thing hooked up. This is gonna be bomb. They even included the 2 deals there to quick release. So thank you so much, Hammy and Steve and Panda. I don't remember your name. I was just talking to you last night though, so Anyway, thank you guys. Shtnonm.com. Again, please like and subscribe. It would really help me out. A lot more cool things to come tomorrow. It's going to get installed. My 618s are in. I need to do a little cleaning up on the box. Needs to be some fill and some sanding, and I got to pull the woofers out, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and just carpet it. And the amp rack, I need to build the amp rack tomorrow if I can get it all done tomorrow, and then yeah, I'll be sitting pretty. I don't think I'll be bringing it to surf this year, but we'll see. So I really appreciate everything you guys do for me, and it's uncanny. I'm just telling you, I love you guys, and again, thank you very much. Shtnonm.com, SHTNONM.com. They got hats, hoodies, stickers, bass knobs. I mean, they got access to everything. So, hit them up. All right. You know that Panda be shitting on them. All right. Peace out.